Hey everyone, this is Allie from the support team, and today we are going to go over our active integrations between Tripleseat and other software companies. You will need the appropriate settings access to review these integrations. Once in Settings, click on Integrations, which can be found all the way at the bottom. Starting at the top, you will find our email campaign integrations such as Constant Contact, MailChimp, and Fishbowl. Once integrated, any contacts that you add to Tripleseat will export out to whichever software that your account is linked to once a day. This sync typically happens overnight. I do want to note that this is a one-way integration, and the contacts from these softwares will not transfer over into Tripleseat. However, if you need to import contact lists from these softwares into Tripleseat, reach out to our support team and we can provide more information on that process. Next is our calendar integration. We integrate with Google, iCal, and Outlook. Similar to the contact integration, this is a one-way integration that will export any events added into Tripleseat out to your personal calendar. When you make an update to an event, this update will push to your personal calendar as well. I will show you how to add this integration later in this video. For floor plan software, we integrate with both all seated and social tables. With this integration, you can send event details from Tripleseat into all seated or social tables to start building your floor plan there. Once the floor plan is created in either all seated or social tables, be sure to save the floor plan to your computer and then upload it to the attached file section of your event in Tripleseat. The two lead integrations we have are with Fishbowl and OpenTable Private Dining. With Fishbowl, leads submitted into Tripleseat would also submit into your Fishbowl account. With the OpenTable Private Dining integration, leads submitted through OpenTable's Private Dining application would submit directly into Tripleseat as a new lead. Now heading into your calendar page, I want to show you how to set up our calendar integration. As a reminder, with the integration, you're able to see events from Tripleseat on your Google Calendar, iCal, or Outlook calendar. To add to your personal calendar, from the calendar page, you will want to click Export on the bottom right. From here, you can build customizable calendar links to add to your own calendar. Clicking Filters, you can specify what type of events will be pulled to your personal calendar based on event status, location and room, event owner, and which event style. You can also include the calendar notes from the Tripleseat calendar to export out to your personal calendar. To the left of filters, you have the option to include links to documents. For example, you might want to link your BEO so that you can view specific event details right from your calendar without needing to log into Tripleseat. Once your link is built to your liking, it is ready to be added to your personal calendar. Note that these links can be given to anyone, including non-Tripleseat users. Finally, let's discuss our online payment integration. So we integrate with two different processors, Stripe and Card Connect. You will need the appropriate settings access to set up this integration. To adjust, you can head into Settings and then select Online Payments. You can learn more about each processor right in this section, as well as sign up directly for an account with either one whenever you are ready. Once you've signed up with one of the two processors, you can come back here to link the account to Tripleseat. If you decide to integrate, your guests will be able to authorize and pay using their credit card or banking information in the form of ACH payments right on the guest portal, and you will be able to do the same in the Payments tab of every event. The funds will then go directly into your bank account. Once integrated, the credit card authorization form from your document layout will include a button that will allow guests to add credit card information directly online through their guest portal. Their information will store on one of these platforms if the client decides to rebook. To see a list of all of our partnerships and integrations, you can head to the dashboard, and right above Settings, you'll see Marketplace where you can review and click in to learn more. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact our support team at support@tripleseat.com or by clicking the Help and Questions button on the top right corner of any screen in Tripleseat.